All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start 60-second session. What's your name?
My name is Al Halal.
Where are you from?
I'm from Patuakhali.
All right, how are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
Fine. This is Naim and I'm going to ask you 10 short questions. Number one sentence about you.
I'm a student. I'm passionate about learning English.
One sentence about your father.
My father is my idol. He is an honest man.
One sentence about your mother.
My mother is my heart. She can cook very well.
One sentence about Bangladesh.
I love my country very much. Bangladesh is my homeland.
One sentence about cricket.
Cricket is the most popular game in the world. Everyone loves playing it.
One sentence about mobile phone.
Mobile phone is an important device for communication.
Thank you. One sentence about laptop.
I use laptop sometimes. Laptop carry too easy.
One sentence about internet.
I use internet every day for social media.
Thank you. One sentence about football.
Football is the most popular game around the world. My football favorite team Brazil.
One sentence about newspaper.
I read English newspaper every day for speaking English.
Thank you for your answers.
Thanks. Allah Hafiz.